Where will their loved ones go next? That's the question dozens of families are asking tonight after learning a Windsor Locks nursing home is shutting down next month. It comes 36 days after this 93-year-old woman walked out of the facility and into freezing temperatures. It took 3 hours for someone to find her, and when they did, she was in a snowbank and later died. NBC Connecticut's Jeremy Chin is joining us live outside the nursing home where families just met hours ago. Jeremy, what did they learn?
Well, Keisha, certainly they did show up walking through those doors you see right over there at this nursing home, meeting with state leaders and learning what their options are. And as you can imagine, finding another place to go under a month is no easy task. A lot of the families didn't want to go on camera, but tell me this is causing a lot of stress and anxiety. In less than a month, the Bickford Healthcare Center will be empty. It's being ordered to close by April 10th over safety concerns, according to Senator Jeff Gordon, which means families now need to start the moving process.
They've become a close-knit community here, and there's not a lot of other homes just in this exact area, but they understand, and although it's not something they want to see.
This stems from an investigation into the death of a resident, 93-year-old Margaret Peggy Healy. She was found 3 hours after wandering out of the facility in a snowbank when the wind chill was 15 below last month. The Department of Public Health then started their own investigation and last week ordered that all residents needed to be out by next month. Which leads us to tonight, where families had a chance to try to figure out the moving process with the help of the long-term care ombudsman.
They're provided with notice. They then receive information about other nursing homes. There's a discharge plan team here that will help them do all the paperwork and manage all of those things so that they don't have to worry about it.
But there was still anxiety for some. One person whose significant other has lived at Bickford for 6 months says he's stressed over having to find a new nursing home again. Senator Jeffrey Gordon, who's been keeping tabs on the process, says as a doctor, it's an understandable feeling.
Patients themselves and families become extremely anxious. How far away will they be? Can family and friends visit?
He says he would like the April 10th closing date extended if residents don't find housing right away.
I don't want them to rush this and say, oh, by April 10th, everyone has to be out of Bickford. If it takes longer, it takes longer to do it right.
Now, the ombudsman says that if anyone has any other concerns about Bickford or the moving process, to please contact her office. We have the details on how you can do that available on our website at NBCConnecticut.com and the NBC Connecticut app. Live in Windsor Locks, Jeremy Chen, NBC Connecticut News. Keisha, I'll send it back to you.